shit knock, nigga.
Connection with a 2022 homicide that happened in San Jose last July. Officers responded to a shooting near the Santa Clara County Fairgrounds. A man was found dead there. A second man got himself to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries, so 2 people shot.
40 tucked by my waist, bitch, don't get banned. How you the plug, but you broke, just the middleman. These niggas goofy when they tellin' all them fairy tales. Talk all that gangsta in them songs and then they go and tell. Niggas goof jokes. Oh, y'all got guns up on your side, well, we got choppers too. Pop out your bushes with that and get that boy the bullets. Fire on me, don't get burnt with this mini torch. Yo, niggas 21, barely hopping off the porch. What type of shit is that? You bet I never laugh. How we gon' catch you when your ass don't even be in sack? You out the way up in LA thinking you a hella ball. Stepped out of bounds thinking he's safe, they did him hella cold. Alley-oop, get him gone, shout out the 4A. So I'm in the ocean with them sharks and let them DOA. But anyways, fuck that nigga, I could care less. He went to prison, heard the news that his brother got stressed. They claiming shit up on that side, but was never involved. Them niggas shooting on that side, nobody playing ball. At every show, every event, but never see them suckers. They weren't shit to blend in, so we don't have to plug them. Send them home with his bro so they can be in peace. They ain't need, that's what it be, you know who run the streets. Sacramento, California, the land of the ends. North, south, east, and west, back to the mid. Get it in by any means, united we stand. I'm representing for the homies, all the active kids. Get it in by any means, united we stand. I'm representing for the homies, all the active kids.